Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something really strange to show you. This radio, I'm not sure what it is or what it's supposed to be. I got this off of Amazon for like $5 plus shipping. It's a cute little radio, but that's kind of where it stops. It works. It's functional. Um, it's it's cheap. It's really cheap. I wish these dials were green, but they're not. They're just reflecting off my pad. These are nice shiny chrome. Stereo, AM, FM, and an auxiliary input. Can I show you that right there? Here's the bass volume, mode control, tuning dial, on-off switch, separate on-off switch, and volume. It's AC and DC, which there's something little quirky about that too. It's supposed to be water resistant, but I don't think it is anymore because of a modification that the previous owner made. Let me show you how this thing opens up. Okay, it's got snaps on each side and then on the top. And then it opens up like so. And the two speakers actually plug into this unit here, which is the radio. Down here is where you can use some batteries, 4 AA batteries, I believe. And then what the previous owner did is there is in the back, matter of fact, it's right here. I'll turn it over and I'll show you the back side. Right there is a little plug that you can pull out and then shoot a wire through here. And I'm thinking the original AC adapter was a straight adapter and would go through there. Apparently, I'm guessing, of course, apparently the guy that owned us before didn't have the original. Maybe it didn't come with it originally. I don't know. But he had one that had a right angle connector. And of course, the right angle won't go through that hole. So he notched a hole in the side of the case. And now it's not water resistant. Not a big deal. It's probably still pretty much water resistant. What I could do if I wanted to is I could put some cement in here and fill this in, like some rubber cement that's flexible. If I wanted to, I don't want to. Again, now this is the cord to use this as an amplified speaker, and you can see it's got a straight-on plug, which will go through that hole. So I'm just guessing, but I'm thinking that the original AC adapter, if it came with one, had that kind of plug, and it would come through the back. You wouldn't have to notch this hole here. Anyway, moving on. See if I can get this closed back up, get everything lined up. Is it lined up? Yeah, it's lined up. Snap this, snap that. Carrying handle. I don't understand this might be an antenna. I don't know what that configuration is about. Does not have any external antenna connections. So it's AM, FM, and auxiliary input through that cable. So let's turn it on. Turn the volume up.
Maybe he does have it, right? Okay, that's one angle.
Little scratchy there.
There's a security threat going on somewhere.
Little off frequency.
Back to what you said.
There weren't any.
Whoa.
The pictures alone are jarring. Oh,
Plenty of
I'm very
volume.
relieved they found a spot on the second
This
level
is
for the cheerleaders, 'cause
AM.
That's really important too. They had the entire concourse.
I don't
for
know if this
themselves.
does that much.
Anyway,
The
so
bass.
check out the photos and the videos
course,
so
it's
that
just
I can kind of share that with you. I wanted you to understand it, and I now have a
speech,
better understanding of what it's like to be in both a baseball and a football stadium where there are no fans.
Yeah, you can tell
It's After
some
Hours
effect,
with
but
Amy
not
Lawrence
very
on CBS
useful.
Sports Radio.
Volume
we'll wrap
down.
up
tunes a lot of, gets a lot of
So you would hear
stations.
it again,
Initially,
I'm still in my brain
this
trying to figure
was
out how
kind of sloppy. This
Kyrie
tuning
Irving
was kind of
thinks that this
sloppy.
is a
But
good
as I used
idea
it,
to
it
say
got better.
publicly, but you know,
So I can tune
he
pretty
also
cool.
wants us to believe that he
And but you just, I mean, could you just tell? There's a myriad
Locks
of
right
things
in.
going on, but I mean,
Bader Ginsburg lying in state. The crowd booed. It's free,
See?
and it's a
It's
great
receiving
way to do
lots of
something good
stations.
for the environment.
Or visit Prevnar13.com.
That's the AM band again. So let me go to FM.
Hey, we're the only ones calling.
Again, no external antenna.
AAA membership can save you 20% at Napa. So
Good,
we're basically
good
superheroes with the
sound.
most
It
specific
sounds
power
good.
ever.
Picks up a lot of stations. Not bad. A little hard to tune. There's a little bit of slop when you reverse the direction. It doesn't do anything for just a little bit. It seems to be getting better. It's almost like however tuning this works, how this tuning works. I got to go to that speech class, boy. It seems like that slop has kind of gone away since I've used it. So that's good. That's about it. Again, I bought this because it was cheap and it was very, very unique. It's called a TravelSound. That's got a trademark on it. I didn't find any manual on the internet, but I did find a whole bunch of pictures. And these things came in black and white and every color in the world that was like aqua and pink and yellow. I mean, it was unbelievable. Definitely a novelty radio. I had no idea what it cost originally. Maybe one of my listeners can give me some insight on this. Works pretty good. $5 plus shipping. Put it in my collection. What the heck? I'm sure Jeff would like to have this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye. Pretty cool. I'm really hooked on these novelty radios, especially these radios that try to duplicate something that was available 30, 40 years ago, like the Spirit of St. Louis radios. Most people say those are junk. Well, they are junk, but they're cool to look at. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.